Hello everyone, class 7. I am Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Class, here we will have to discuss on chapter number 17, that is the forest. And in the forest, chapter 17, we have already completed the whole chapter as an explanation. Now here is the remaining portion of the chapter is in the form of the exercise and assessment. So here we have to do the exercise and assessment today, and in which we have to move on the first one, that is called as the assessment and activities. In the assessment section here, we'll have to explain about the multiple choice question. What are these? This is the MCQ. First one, that is pick the correct option, in which first one is given as which of the following serves as a green lungs. So first one is given as which one of the following is serve as a green lungs. This is the green pigment of the plant, forest, kitchen garden, greenhouse effect. So it is the forest. So option number B is the right answer. Next question number 2. Which of the following products are obtained from the forest? That is timber, firewood, gum, all of these. So the answer will be the all of these. D number, option number D. Next is the question number 3. Which of the following are producers? Humans, domestic animals, plants, both man and animals. So third C, it is the plant. Question number 4. Primary consumers are carnivores, herbivores, omnivores are producers. So B is the right answer, the herbivores. Herbivores is the primary consumers. Now question number 5. A food chain includes producers, consumers, carnivores, or all of these. So it will be all of these. Question number 6. In which of the following forests do not help? Rainfall, erosion, purification of air, calcination. So this one is also having calcination. It is the D option, the right answer. Now question number 7. Which of the following statement is not correct? In which of the following this one is not correct? What are these? Soil helps forests to grow and regenerate. Forests protect the soil from the erosion. Plants and animals in a forest are not interdependent on one another. C option is the right answer. Now question number 8. Bhojo visited a forest near the town with his classmate and his teachers. As they were entering the forest, their class teachers told them not to make a noise in the forest. A noise could disturb the birds, animals, both birds and animals, and plants. Last option is plants. So the right answer will be the C, both birds and plants as well. Now question number 9. Which among the following forest animal is the smallest? Fox, boar, bisons, and porcupine, that is D option. D option is the right answer, porcupine. Which of the following has the strongest stem? That is bushes, herbs, shrubs, or a tree. Climber, creeper, herbs, or a tree. So tree is the right answer. So it will be the option number A, that is tree. Question number 11. Which of the following is not the name of a tree? Teak, saul, porcupine, kachnar. So porcupine, C option is the right answer. 12 one is, which of the products is not obtained from a forest? What are these? Honey, catechu, gum and ginger. So ginger is the right answer. Now question number 13. The branchy part of the tree above the stem is known as crown or canopy, sapling, humus. So B answer is the right answer, canopy. Question number 14. Forests are not responsible for providing the medicinal plants. B. Maintaining the flow of water into the streams. C. Creating the flood conditions. D. Absorbing rainwater and maintaining water table. So C is the right answer, creating flood conditions. It could not create the flood condition. It can escape from the flood condition as well. So here we'll have to move on to the question number 2, that is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one. So here is first one is given as the forest. If the forest disappears, the level in the dash level in the air will increase, resulting in increase in the earth temperature. The carbon dioxide level. Carbon dioxide. This is what the carbon dioxide level will increases, and due to the increase in the carbon dioxide level, the earth atmosphere or the earth temperature increases. Question number 2. Comprises of plants, animal and microorganism. Which comprises? Which one comprises? Forest comprises. Forest comprises all of these. Question number 3. There is an transfer through the food chain, energy. Third one is energy. Question number 4. 4 is given as control the floods by holding water in the roots. It is the tree. Question number 5 is washed away by the rain, causing landslides. Topsoil. Question number 6. 6 is given as the number of organisms at each link of the food chain can be represented by. The number of organisms at each link of the food can be represented by pyramids. That is what actually pyramids. Now next question. Next question is true or false. True and false statements. These must be. First one. Forest influence climate, water cycle and air quality. Actually forest can. True. Second. In a forest, trees from the uppermost layer, followed by the herbs, the shrubs, form the lowest layer of vegetations. That is false. Question number 3. The forest keeps on growing, changing and regenerate. True. Question number 4. 4 is given as forests protect the soil from the soil erosion. True. Fifth one. Soil helps the forest to grow and regenerate. It is correct. So these are the true and false. Now next one. Next one is match the column. Match the column. Here is column A and this one is column B. In the column A given as decomposers, canopy, porcupine, humus, forest. Next, what will be the answer? Decomposers are what actually? These are the microorganisms. Next, canopy is what? It is the branches of tall trees. Next one is porcupine. It is a wild animal. Wild animals. Humus, dead and decay, dead plants and animal. Dead plants and animals. Next, animal tissues. Forest. Forest is what actually? It is the forest. Habitat for wildlife. Habitat for wildlife. These are the answer about that the match the column. Next one. Next one will be the give one word answer. Give one word answer. In which first one, what actually? A roof made by the branches of tall tree in the forest that are called as canopy. Second, microorganism which convert dead. These are decomposers. Third one, a biological community in which living and non-living things components interacts. That is ecosystem. Next, consumers that feed directly on plants. Primary consumers. Question number 5. Organisms that prepare their own food. Autotrophs. Autotrophs. These are the one word answer. Now we'll have to move on. Question number 1 from very short answer question. First one is first. What is the forest? So large area of land. Answer will be large area on land. Thickly covered with this is thickly covered with trees and bushes. This is the answer number 1. Now answer number 2. Two is what actually? What do you mean by food chain? What is the food chain? So food chain is what actually? Interdependence between interdependence between plants, that is a producer and consumer. Producers and consumers. To the various linkage. That appear as a chain. That's all. Question number 2. Now question number 3. Answer number 3 is given as, what is the canopy? Canopy is what actually? It is the uppermost layer of the uppermost branch and leaves of the tall trees. The uppermost branches and leaves that of a tall tree which act as a roof. This one is called canopy. Now question number 4. 4 is given as producer. What are the products that we get from the forest? We can get different forms of products from the forest that are medicines, oil, fibers, spices, essential oils, etc.